compact residential project that showcases remarkable spatial planning and material selection, CasiTa House, designed by the architecture studio The Ranch Mine. Located in Phoenix, Arizona, this home is not only a smart response to the challenges of a narrow lot and desert climate, but also serves as a powerful inspiration for small home designs that feel spacious and open. CasiTa House has a total area of just 974 square feet, or about 90 square meters. Despite its compact footprint, the home offers a spatial experience that feels significantly larger than its actual size. The key lies in its T-shaped floor plan, which is the basis for the name CasiTa, with the capital T highlighting the main character of the design. This form allows for efficient spatial separation while maintaining openness and a sense of connectivity. The horizontal bar of the T houses two symmetrical bedrooms, placed on the left and right sides of the structure. Meanwhile, the vertical stem contains the kitchen, laundry area, and bathroom, forming the utility core of the house. This layout not only simplifies installation and maintenance systems, but also positions the living room in the best possible location, opening directly to the outdoors and receiving maximum natural light. One of the most striking features of this home is a large pivot door weighing 750 pounds, around 340 kilograms, and stretching 12 feet wide. This door creates a seamless transition between the interior and the outdoor terrace. With just a gentle push, the door opens wide, connecting the living room to a cantilevered roof-covered patio. This terrace adds 255 square feet of additional living space usable throughout the day, serving as a natural extension of the home's interior. The oversized roof overhang also plays a crucial passive role in addressing the harsh desert heat of Phoenix. It shades the floor-to-ceiling glass windows on the south, north, and east sides of the home, allowing ample daylight to enter while minimizing heat gain. This strategy demonstrates how architectural design can effectively respond to climate conditions in a simple yet efficient way. The materials chosen for CasiTa House are selected for their aesthetic appeal, durability, and low maintenance. The exterior features a combination of board-formed concrete, stucco, steel, and glass, all resistant to extreme weather conditions and requiring minimal upkeep. Inside, the ceilings are finished with stained plywood panels arranged in a custom pattern, adding a warm, artistic touch that enriches the spatial atmosphere. Interestingly, although originally designed as a guest house, the CasiTa model is highly adaptable to various needs and climates. In colder regions, for instance, it can be equipped with a fireplace or additional insulation. In mountainous or forested areas, The design could be modified into a private cabin that blends with nature, taking full advantage of scenic views through expansive glass openings. CasiTa House is proof that small homes don't have to feel cramped. With thoughtful design, carefully chosen materials, and a harmonious relationship between indoor and outdoor spaces, this house delivers high-quality living within a compact footprint. For those seeking inspiration for a small yet airy and modern home, CasiTa offers a compelling and highly adaptable reference.